My name is Breeze. I'm the founder of Student of Life Limited. We're a hip-hop arts organization, and our main aim is to encourage positive attitudes towards learning in young people, improving their confidence, improving literacy skills, and just basically making learning fun. Young people just get to look at the hip-hop history, they look at the journey of rap. They look at creating their own lyrics and also performing as well.
Step into my mind, it's like a pool of information. We have the right to get our education. My inside's colourful like a decoration. We all show collaboration. Watching football gives me motivation. End this with amazing alliteration.
So one of the things we got the students to do is we got them to look at a rap timeline. So we went from the Sugar Hill Gang, and then we came all the way to the UK and looked at Stormzy. So we've got the students looking at all of these classic lyrics and reciting them themselves, and then going on to create their own lyrics as well.
I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper D up in the limousine.
Student of Life has been working with children from Marlborough Primary School for a term now. We identified children in Year 5, both boys and girls, who we felt we wanted to engage. We wanted to develop their confidence. We wanted them to develop a passion for writing, and we recognised that there was a need to achieve this through a less traditional approach. I loved it. I loved seeing the children joining in. I loved seeing the children having grown in confidence over a term.
My mind is like a river, cause it's flowing. My imagination is like a boat and it's rowing. I like to work for Childline, cause every child should be living life fine. My mind loves to wander, focus on one thing, move over to the other. When I think big, I think out my comfort zone, like a BlackBerry, Samsung or an iPhone.
I thought it was incredible.